lab supplies are just lab supplies, right? Not when it's your data, your experiment, your reputation. When you put back-breaking hours into life-saving research, make sure you're working with a company that has your back. At Corning Life Sciences, we've been enabling breakthrough science for more than 100 years, with some of the most trusted brands in the industry and an unmatched reputation for quality, consistency, and innovation. Whether it's everyday lab essentials like pipettes, tubes, or flasks, or cutting-edge technology like 3D cell culture, bioprinting, high-yield, high-performance cell culture vessels, or fixed-bed bioreactors, Corning products are in every leading life science lab around the world. And our commitment to innovation doesn't stop at the lab bench. We've invested more than $500 million to build additional life sciences manufacturing capabilities, including clean room suites and precision automation. We've also built new sterilization capabilities to eliminate supply chain bottlenecks. And our new state-of-the-art global distribution hub each year can ship 9 million cases of essential lab supplies around the world. Our goal is to make sure you have the lab products you need when you need them. And to ensure you get the most from those products, we offer training at our technology centers and access to teams of PhD field application scientists who work alongside you to help solve your toughest challenges. Whether your goal is to reach clinical trials or secure the next round of funding, experienced Corning account managers will work with you to make it a reality. That includes tackling challenges to the environment as well. Corning is ranked among the top 25 companies in the US for solar power capacity, and we offer more than 2,000 products that are covered by renewable energy certificates that can help your organization meet your sustainability goals. So the next time you're choosing among lab suppliers, remember, there is a difference. And that difference is what separates Corning Life Sciences from everyone else. Discover why you can count on Corning when the world is counting on you.